everybody, my name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to start a new series talking about bass, okay? In this series we're going to be talking about 808s, sub bass, bass guitar, choosing the right bass, getting it sounding good in the mix, getting it sounding on key, and all of that. So this first video is going to mostly be talking about 808s, alright? So let's get right into it, okay? So now 808s, you're going to mostly use an 808 for probably hip hop or trap, right? Obviously you can use some subs and even some boom bap stuff use bass guitar, but trap and more modern hip hop beats are gonna have 808s in it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna work on today. We got these keys here that kind of like a trap melody, and we're gonna throw an 808 on there. So we're gonna talk about how to find the right 808, but let's listen to these keys first. So we're just in A minor, 140 BPM to keep it simple, all right? So let's look for an 808, all right? So there's a couple things that you can do. A lot of 808s out there are tuned to C. Now, if you go to places like Cymatics, they put what key the 808 is in, and a lot of their 808s are just tuned to C, which is fine. You can use that. But we're also going to try to find an 808 that's actually tuned to A. I have some 808s that are tuned to A or close to A, and we can talk about, we're going to do both. We're going to talk about what to do if you have one that's already in the key and if you have one that isn't. So let's find one that isn't in the key first. Okay, I like how this one sounds, all right? So it's in the key of D. So what we're going to do to get it on the key of A is open it up, go over to the wrench here, and let's do cut self. Click that a couple times, then hit reset on this. All right, now what we're going to do is bring it down to an A, okay, because that's what we want it. So we'll bring it down over here to an A, right click on A. Let's hit reset once more because sometimes this gets weird. We'll put it on an A, but the 808 is still in the key of D, so we got to pitch it and tune it to A, all right? So if we go back to this, it's on D, which is right here, and we need it on A. So if we pitch it down 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 cents, we can get it down to A. All right, so let's try that. And it makes it really deep, so that's up to you if you want to use something like that, or maybe find another 808 that's a little bit closer to the key of A. This one's an A sharp, so we'll just use this for the sake of this video. Bring it in. We can take the load regions and loop points off, and let's do the cut self. Let's pitch it up, or pitch it down 100 cents, because that will make it an A. All right, now we can go over to this again and bring this back down to A. So hit reset on it a couple times and just hit A. So that's going to show that the root note is in A and it's actually tuned to A as well. So now we have our 808 there. Now, that's for if it's a different key. Obviously, if it's the same key, you do not have to tune it. If it's already in A, you do not have to pitch it up in the time stretching at all. All you would have to do is just to make sure you go over to the wrench and put the root note on A. That way, you can actually go into the piano roll and put your first note on A and not have it sounding weird. It would actually sound like that note. So, yeah, that's pretty much with 808s. It's pretty much that simple. You just got to get the right key and the right 808. So yeah, it's very important to know what keys your 808s are in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Stay tuned for the other videos in this series where we'll be talking about sub and regular bass guitar. But yeah, much love, y'all. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Peace.